let's look at a very popular stock. Maybe we'll go for Apple. Alright, so when you scroll down, right, so Apple is among the top five most largest stocks in the United States. Look at its market cap, $3.2 trillion. It's a whole lot. And when you scroll down, look at this price stats here, right? In 1 year, aside from the highs, lows, whatsoever, when you click on, view more, currently the stock has around 15 billion shares outstanding, right? Now it trades an average of 56 million units of shares per day. So in 1 year time, right, of all the trading days in 1 year, it trades an average of 56 million, which is 0.37% of its outstanding shares. Now in 1 year, now we are looking at the total, no longer the average. For 1 year, the trades of this asset, which is Apple, is around 13 billion, 13.8 billion, which is 92.14% of its total outstanding shares. You could even do the same for maybe 1 week if you like, right? So in 1 week, it traded around 1.76% of its outstanding shares. 1 year, same thing. Now see what happens. Let's say we go for Fidelity. Fidelity Bank is amongst Nigeria's most liquid assets. So on average, it trades around 0.09%. That is daily, average daily for 1 year. We're looking at 1 year. However, the same 1 year, while Apple gave us around 92, right? 92%. This is around 22%. As you can see, it's less liquid than the American counterparts. We could also go for let's look at, right, the highest stocks with the market capitalizations. So for United States, let's go for, let's say, Microsoft, right? So in 1 year, mind you can always change this, maybe 1 month, 1 quarter or two, but for now I love using 1 year. Okay, fine. So in 1 year, Microsoft gave us 71.84% changing of hands. So 71.84% of the units of each share in Microsoft changed hands in 1 year, while on average 0.29% per day. Now the highest stock when it comes to market capitalization in Nigeria is Airtel. So when we come to Airtel here, so look at it, right? So same 1 year, we're coming to 1 year now. Total volume 4 million, which is 0.11% of its outstanding shares. On average, it's not even showing at all. It's 16,000, and we are looking at an asset with a market capitalization of 8.1 trillion naira. So as you can see, there is quite. If you go for maybe something like Uber, right? You come for Uber, you check it in 1 year, see how it's a lot, right? That's it. Also, to know the stocks with the highest capitalization, if you like, you can always come to, Market Watch, enter Hall of Fame, you select the country that you want. We are looking at stocks now, so market capitalization, then highest to lowest. So for Nigerian stocks, you see it here: Airtel #1, BUA Foods, etc. For US stocks, the same thing. You get the point. Yeah, so that's it. So before you buy any assets, for example, I've been looking at BUA Foods, right? Before you buy any assets, yeah, you can look at the performance, such as how it's been performing, good effective yield for 5 years, risk exposure even lower than the effective yield. But overall, in 1 year, just 0.17% of this stock changed hands, the shares. So it's very, very low in liquidity, which means that you can hardly buy the stock, you can hardly sell it, or if you want to sell, you have to sell at a discounted price, which will affect how much you've gotten in return. So before you buy any Nigerian stock, yes, most important in Nigerian stocks, you have to consider the liquidity. And yes, remember, you can always backdate this to, let's say you want to know from 2023, like this, you see it. So I think this helps. Thank you, and stay intentional in your investment journey. Bye.